Yum, this food is so delicious.
Oh no! The teacher just snatched her plate. She starts gobbling it like she hasn't eaten in days.
Clean this canteen now.
But I'm a student here too.
You're not a student. You're a servant.
Hello, students! Wow, it's color day today. Everyone gets excited as the teacher hands out colors. The white kitten receives magical bright colors, while the black kitten only gets broken pieces. She begins coloring with a soft smile. The white kitten's drawing is already turning out amazing.
This is wonderful, white kitten.
Whoa! The black kitten creates a true masterpiece.
This one looks as messy as you, black kitten.
But mine is better, ma'am.
How dare you talk back to me?
Please, I didn't mean to upset you.
Later during playtime, the kittens kick a ball, and it accidentally hits the teacher.
Who threw that ball at me? You filthy black kitten!
Huh? Without even asking, she starts beating the black kitten. The kitten runs out in fear, but the teacher chases her. Oh no! She hides inside a garbage bin. The teacher crashes into it, and the kitten falls out.
Hey, stop, or I will shoot you.
What? Police? Wait, it was the white cat behind all of this.
You are under arrest, cruel teacher.